We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. How many do you think you'll get done today?
I don't know. So one there, one here. Two shouldn't be a problem whatsoever. Right here, three.
We measured this off about, I don't know, a while ago. And we just put spray paint marks on the old fence. And the ground's pretty soft because we've had a lot of rain.
Right here is 6.
Number 6, he's saying right there. What we're working on today is to start this fence along the property line so that we can finish this first paddock, well, second paddock. This is actually paddock 2. And once we get that, yes, I don't think you're going to get that far today. Once we get this property fence done, then we can finish off this paddock, and then we can also do the third paddock, and so then we would have 2 barns and 3 paddocks finished. So today we're just going to get started getting the pipe posts in the ground. But we've got some brush and stuff we have to clear, and some grass that needs to be kind of knocked back. So take care of that and get the supplies gathered and get started. Okay, first of all, look at these silly dogs living their best life. Oh my gosh, they're so silly. My really girlies. It's good for them to get all their energy out while they're outside. Then we don't have the rough housing inside. When they go in, they lay down and take a nap. Isn't that right? I'm talking about you. I'm talking about you. Where'd Papa go? Huh? Safi noticed. He's not there. Where did he go? He's over at the shop. Silly dogs. Alright, back to business. We just used the weed whacker and the chainsaw and cleared out all of the grass and the trees and the brush along this fence line, all the way down to where the second paddock ends, there at that H-frame. I don't think we'll get farther than that today. And then right here is where the first pipe post goes. So every 40 feet. So we measured from down there by the gate, and the first 40-foot mark is right here. So I'm gonna put you on super speed. We're gonna come back with the tractor, some pipe posts, the digger bar, and the hole shovel. So we're down about 24 inches. The first 18 inches was super easy because it's so damp from all the rain we've had. And tried the post pounder. It put it in a little ways, but not very far. And it's just so loud.
Yep.
I went and got we had forgotten how loud it was, and so I went and got the ear protection. But he's decided now he just wants to use the shovel and the digger bar. So it only has to go in about 30 inches. So we're almost there. Got 6 more inches and he's done.
Yep.
It is dry now down there though, right?
Yep.
So we have about 2 feet worth of wet soil. That's awesome. That is awesome. I hear other chainsaws. Somebody else is cutting down trees. So we leave this old fence up when we put our fence up because our neighbor has an electric wire running on there. And so we didn't want to take down the old fence because that messes up his electric system. And obviously he's not here to help us with all this, so we're just putting our new fence in front of the old fence. And we did that from the front fence to the 2-acre fence up this way. And I think it looks nice. Once you put it up, you don't even really pay attention to what's behind it, you know? So, we gotta get that morning glory off the fence right there, though. Anyway, I'll put you back on super speed, because there's nothing more boring than watching somebody dig a hole.
Yep.
Well, I suppose there are more boring things in life.
Watching grass grow.
Grass grow, yeah. Digging a hole, digging a hole. I'm digging a hole. It's time for an Arthur break.
Give me a break, give me a break, give me an Arthur break. Arthur.
Oh, Bindi came out. Hi, Bindimus. She's under the tractor. I'd show you.
Oh.
There she is. You see her?
Yep. I saw legs.
Hi, Bindi. Are you mad? Are you mad? She's got a bald belly because we had her spayed a couple weeks ago. And she just got out from being in with her babies for, well, they're 5 months, 6 months old now. Right? 5 months old. So she's been in with them for 5 months. Got out occasionally, but the last couple months hasn't really gotten out because they were in the aviary, so they had plenty of exercise and things to do. So she's a little distraught today.
Yep. She's checking out all the new things that have happened since she was locked up.
She wasn't locked up. You weren't locked up. It's not like you were in prison. You just had a family.
She was in prison with the inmate kids. Ew.
Mrs. Ballbelly. Mrs. Ballbelly.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
You're fine.
He's mad that she's out here.
You're fine.
He says, I thought she was gone. I didn't know where she was. I thought she was gone. Nope, she's still here. She's still here. She was just raising her babies.
Yep.
Isn't that right, baby?
Arthur.
You got some
Arthur.
nice kids, too.
Yep. Okay. That was a good break.
Back to
Thanks,
work.
Arthur. I gotta get back to work.
Thanks, Arthur.
Although I think my butt's dirty by this point.
Where'd you run off to? Oh, just there. He's just there. Oh gosh, did you run into a rock?
Just a hard job.
How far down are you?
Oh, I don't know. 50, 60 inches. Probably like 26.
How far were we on the last one?
43.
Gosh. The numbers.
There's Aragorn. Off in
Yep.
the distance, you can see one of the tundra cats.
Yep, here he comes. Camera, I don't think the camera can see him yet though. Right out there. Hi Aragorn! What you doing, baby?
Tundra
Where do you
cats
come
are
from?
loose.
And where do you go?
My lovely.
He says, this all looks different. You guys took the trees down. Now Bindy's looking at Aragorn. Don't go hunting, Bindy. She's so mean. She's so mean. Maybe she thinks it's one of her kids. I don't know. And Arthur's just right there somewhere.
Yeah.
Look at Aragorn. He's like, what? You're out?
Yeah.
Why are you out here running around? The drama. Farm cat drama.
Mm-hmm.
Aragorn, how do you keep your whites so white?
Got my white socks. Got my white socks on.
Yeah. Everybody's talking about his white socks. He's got his white socks. He's got his white socks on. That's not how it's supposed to work. It's supposed to be attached to that thing.
Yes.
That's the second one.
Second one. So we had fiberglass first. I broke it. Now I figured, hey, wood's going to be stronger than the damn fiberglass, but no,
No,
it's not.
it didn't last very long at all.
No.
All it did was like that corner over there. That corner over there and those.
Yeah.
That corner. And then those back there for the H. Because he didn't even dig the third hole for the corner. And then this is the fourth of these today. So
Yeah.
it's only done like
5 or 6 holes.
10 at the most.
Yeah. Yeah.
Giving it the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah.
10 holes. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Well,
Well, I mean, yeah, I suppose it's me too, being too rough with them.
too rough.
Yeah. I expect at least adamantium. But no, I was thinking that one guy, the Monkey King stick,
Oh yeah.
you know, how he did his thing, whatever he did.
Yeah, that's why I say you have to set. He shows you really
I-
slow how to do it.
I only know the really basic staff movements. You know, just- Yeah. And then.
Don't give away all your secrets.
No. This is staff.
I know. Oh, goodness. All right.
I'm better with some other weapons. Yes. All right. Bye. See ya. Until next time when we break more stuff.
We break more stuff, doing things we don't know how to do.
Right. Adamantium.
Well, we could finish clearing down there. That way we can take that off the plate for next time when we have another hole shovel. Could do
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Could do that.
Okay. Only got 3 up. And majority of the fence line cleared. Started on the fourth one. Broke the hole shovel. But now we're going to go down here and at least clear the rest of it, because that way we don't have to do that on the next time when we're out here on Lance's next day off. We were only going to do 2 more. We started the first of those 2 and broke the shovel. 2 more would have got us halfway, and then we would have had 5 more to do. But I think this is a good trade-off. If we can get this cleared, then we'll just have 7 to do, but we should be able to knock that out since we don't have to do the clearing.
So, we've completed what we can. We got in, unfortunately, only 3 posts today. We were planning on 5. Our post hole digger failed on us on the 4th hole. Before we had plexiglass. That didn't work well. It worked actually better. Fiberglass.
Plexiglass.
Yeah, fiberglass.
Oh.
And then we tried wood. The wood didn't last nearly as long as the fiberglass. So, might switch back to fiberglass. Unless we find some steel.
Metal ones, yeah.
Yeah, that would be cool, but then they're a lot more
They might be
expensive
hot
too.
though too in the summertime.
Yeah.
You had stuff in your beard.
Stuff in my beard.
Yeah.
Something I'm still getting used to. Yes.
Stuff in your beard.
So we finished the rest of the area, well, most of the area, clearing it out, getting rid of the small trees and all that kind of stuff. But
the battery on
battery
the
died also.
chainsaw died.
So
We're just done.
Yeah, we're done for the day. We're gonna go
Find another handle.
go get another handle. We'll take care of all the animals, see how Bindy's doing
Yeah.
without the kids.
And how the other 2
and how
kittens
the
are
other
doing
2
with
kids
the
are
other 4
acclimating
kids.
with the other 4 kids. Since they're all kids, we figure they'll do pretty well.
Yeah, they should. They so far I checked on them a couple of times
Yeah.
and they're fine.
Yep.
So
Yep. So I mean, we got some progress done. Next time, maybe we'll grab 2 spare sets of handles so we can finish this whole thing. Once we get those, metal poles in the ground, the T-posts will be quick and easy.
right.
Comparatively speaking, we'll use the post hole pounder on that and get it knocked out. But yeah, hey, it's something.
Yeah, it's closing in on the end of the day anyway. We got to do nighttime chores and
Yep.
go round up our chickens.
And I'm probably off, another 5 days or something.
I think it's Tuesday.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Next Tuesday. So then maybe we can get all the posts finished by then.
Yeah.
Hopeful thinking.
What we should do is
Get up and get
count
started earlier.
well, getting up and starting early all depends on how late you get home the night before.
True.
Last night you got home really late.
Got home really late, yes. Very true.
We should count how
T-posts.
many T-posts we need and pick them up while we're getting another shovel handle.
Yeah. Yep,
And then
we
we're
can do
just ready to go.
that. Right. Yep, don't have to go anywhere.
All right.
We'll make nachos that day. Don't know what we're having tonight, but we're having something.
We could have nachos.
Yeah, true. We have nachos.
All right.
All right. Then we will see you next time. Bye.